Meet the eFOLDi Navigator, your lightweight, fold-in-seconds power chair. We'll show you how to get started. Unbox your Navigator and keep your packaging for future servicing. The charger is stored with the anti-tip wheels and handles. Pause here if you need to check. Step 1. Stand the chair upright and push the seat down to open. Step 2. Install the key parts. Fit the anti-tip wheels. Push the armrests down until they click. Screw in the attendant handles. Attach the attendant control. Slide in the joystick and tighten the knob. Connect the power cable. Push the footrest down and place the seat cushion securely. Final safety checks. Make sure both red brake levers are forward for power mode or pulled back for freewheel mode. Fold the footrest, then press the folding lever and lift the seat upwards. The chair will rest on the anti-tip wheels. Compact and secure. Your Navigator is now ready to store or travel. To unfold your Navigator, simply push the seat down firmly and push the footrest down. For easy access, you can lift and lower the armrest. That's it. Your Navigator is ready to go. To lift into a car, hold the footrest, brace against your body, and slide into the boot. You can charge onboard directly or remove the battery to charge separately. Press the power button, check the battery display, select one of 5 speeds, and use the joystick to steer. The reversing beep can be disabled, and the attendant control lets a carer adjust speed and direction. There's also a USB port to charge your devices. Your Navigator is ready. Just unfold and go. We're here to make your journey smooth and stress-free. For more help, visit eFOLDi.com or give our team a call.